For folks who love to listen to music, the all-new Music Haptics is an exciting feature. When activated, it makes your iPhone play a variety of haptics such as taps and textures in according to the currently playing song. If you have begun to enjoy using the Music Haptics feature on your iPhone, I would recommend you set up the accessibility shortcut so that you can quickly activate it by just triple clicking the side button of your iPhone. So, if you want to make the most of this cool shortcut, let me help you set it up. So to get started, first up you have to open the settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Then select accessibility. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose accessibility shortcut. And then select Music Haptics. With this handy shortcut now ready, you can quickly activate the Music Haptics by just triple clicking the side button aka the power button of your iPhone. It's worth pointing out that if you have selected more than one feature, triple clicking the side button will first bring up the accessibility shortcut menu. After that, you'll have to choose the Music Haptics for activation, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily enable Music Haptics on your iPhone using accessibility shortcut in iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time.